simple experiment called the lava bubbles. All we need is a spoon, vinegar, baking soda, food color and 2 jars and vegetable oil. We have to add baking soda into the jar. Next, add vegetable oil. We have to add vinegar into the jar. Next, add food coloring, 7 to 8 drops. Next, stir it well. Put the mix into the jar. Wait for the reaction to happen. Bubbles. Thanks for watching.